Siéntate. Cuídate.
Bump!
Fucking shit goes, whoa, shit.
Another bump.
Thanks. Now what is this shit?
There we go. Whoa, another bump.
I'm not seeing these things. I know.
We lost him.
Ah, shit.
Another bump. I need to paint them.
I guess the river's out. That's what he said in Spanish. Oh lordy, here we go.
Give these girls a ride. Oh, look out for the chicken. Ah, dang it.
So you should look up for the chicken.
Yeah, did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, fucking gringo.
What?
You got another kids out again. We have four-wheel drive. Now
Okay, so tell us what the problem is now.
The problem is the bridge is broke.
The bridge is broke?
Yeah, the bridge
So we got to drive across the river?
Across the river, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
say, un momento, señor.
Subite
You in
atrás.
there? Okay.
Am I in gear?
Bring that
I don't
back. It should light up somewhere.
It's not.
There you go.
I'm not feeling it.
Let's see.
Okay, you got it. You got it. Let's go.
Thank you.
First gear and let's go.
All right.
You go slow, you know go.
Oh yeah.
Gas it.
Yeah, you know push the gas too much.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. Let me tell them something. It's one of them gotta go on the walking on the river and show you how you go. Hey, uno de ustedes va a ir ahí por río. Enséñale exacto dónde es. Okay, he show you. He show you exactly where you have to go. If you follow him, you're fine.
I'm following him.
Yeah, you follow him and you're
No
fine.
problem.
Okay. They don't speak English.
Where's-
Yeah,
where's
you follow
the-
him. You follow him.
Where's the worst part? Over here?
Yeah, down. You follow the red guy, the short red. Right there.
Head right for him.
That way. Yeah, right there. He show you. You follow him and you're fine.
More right.
Yeah.
Oh, more left.
Go. No. You go right there. You go that way.
I am.
Yeah.
I follow him.
Gas it.
Yeah,
Go.
follow him. Follow him. Go.
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 Yeah.
Go.
Keep
Don't
worry about him. Go.
Keep going. Yeah.
To the left.
Keep going.
To the left.
Keep going.
To the left.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Here you go.
All right. There you go.
Quítate.
Keep moving.
Okay, go. They hear a lot of problems. A lot of white people come this way and they
They
don't
get
know how to
stuck?
tell them. They don't know how to explain to them how to speak English.
I really
Because they
appreciate
don't
it.
know how to speak English. I speak a little bit, not that much.
You speak good. Where'd you learn?
I learned up there in U.S.
Really? Where?
Yeah,
Donde?
in South Carolina.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. It continues. That's the reason I bring this camera.
I thought they were just going to take us around. It was just some simple deal. We'll give them $1. All of a sudden, there's a river.
How much they charge you for that anyway?
We paid them. I think we
We
paid
gave them
them
$10 for
$20
all 15 of them.
No, we did
How much? 20?
20 altogether.
They were excited. They were yelling at everything.
Well, they started out with 2, those 2 little kids.
Yeah.